Never go outside again. iAnyGo helped me complete all my field research tasks in just one day. I've tried 3 Pokémon GO location spoofing tools, and this one is by far the most stable. The secret lies in iAnyGo's exclusive PogoMap feature, packed with useful tools that completely free up your hands. Today, I'll give you a hands-on review to show you how it works. Feature 1. Scan PokéStop and Gym locations. Click the Pokéball icon in the toolbar to open PogoMap, then select PokéStop and Gym to view the map markers. Enable one-click connection, adjust the number of Pokéstops and gyms, and the system will automatically generate a route. Set your walking speed, and your location will move along the route. Feature 2. Find Pokémon GO routes and auto-walk routes. In the menu, select Pogo Route Tasks to see reward tasks on the map. Click on a task you're interested in, and iAnyGo will automatically generate a route. Adjust your walking speed, then click. Start to move along the route. There are also Raid Battle and Team Rocket Finder features, so you can earn event rewards without leaving home. Best of all, it has a built-in cooldown timer to prevent frequent location changes that could trigger bans, keeping you safe and secure. Go try it out for yourself.